How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go to apps option. Here on apps option, guys, as you see, will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Facebook. Open Facebook like this and go to storage. Click now on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then back and click on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do now, guys, you have to go and turn on your airplane mode and turn off it, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.